Good morning, dear children. How are you all? I hope all my children are healthy, fine, safe at their home. So, you all know me? I'm your science ma'am. So, my name is Radhika Sharma. I teach you science. Some of you I teach earlier, I have taught you also science. Then other than that, what you know? I teach you in class 2, then I'm teaching you in class 3. I teach you in School Mountfort Inter College. Then my hobbies are to read, to cook, to make crafts and all. Then and I would like to see all my children grow up and become very good children, very good person, and become successful people in the society. Do you know why I am saying all this? Why I am introducing? Yes. Today is our conversation period, and the topic for our conversation is myself. Presenting whenever you meet your friend or any unknown person, the way you present yourself or the way you give your introduction is all about your personality. It is all about your personality. Now let's see this lesson, how can you speak about yourself or introduce about yourself? Now this is some basic thing. You will tell your name, you will tell your parents' name, you will tell the class where you study, the school from where you belong to, your address, your hobbies, your likes, dislikes, and what would you like to become in your life. But especially, you will also tell what languages you speak, but especially, you should be knowing how to introduce yourself. This can be between different people. If someone of school asks you, "What's your name?" You will only tell, "My name is, for example, Rajiv. I belong to class 3B." But yeah, you can simply say, "My name is Yashashvi. I belong to 3B. My name is Yash. I belong to 3B." These are basic examples. But if someone new or your relative come to your house and then ask about it, who is not talking to you in daily terms, जो आपसे रोज बात नहीं करता है, you need to be have a proper introduction. आप अपना एक proper introduction दोगे. Why a proper introduction is used, or why proper introducing yourself is used? It is required to have a proper conversation between the person asking and me giving the answer. जब आपसे कोई पूछता है तो उसके सवाल का आप एक प्रॉपर आंसर दोगे, और प्रॉपर आंसर में आप खाली अपना नाम नहीं बताते हो. You will tell all the basic information about you. Now let's read this chapter and we will learn how to introduce ourselves. Mr. Rao. What is your name, dear? Rajiv. My name is Rajiv. Mr. Rao. How old are you, Rajiv? Rajiv. I am 8 years old. Mr. Rao. So, are you in class 3? Rajiv. Yes, I am in class 3. Mr. Rao said, which school do you go to? Now Rajiv gave the answer, I go to Arrow Public School. Rao, what is your mother tongue? Mother tongue means the language that you speak very frequently, or that is you are used to speaking. My mother tongue is Hindi. Mr. Rao, oh, I see. What are your hobbies? Or Rajiv, my hobbies are singing and dancing. Mr. Rao, good. What do you want to be? Want to be when you grow up? Rajiv, I want to be an astronaut. Mr. Rao, that's nice. That means he has now asked few questions to Rajiv about Mr. Rao, about him.